The paper plane guards the corridor. English teacher Detective Simon Sharkisle usually teaches at Seaside Academy, but whenever a mystery surfaces, people ask for his help. Saturday at Kanda Municipal Elementary in Tokyo, pupils were halfway through sports day. Simon Sharkisle cheered his 8-year-old son, Natsuki, in the three-legged race. During the mid-morning break, the tablet that controlled the drone camera vanished from the AV storeroom. The keypad lock was unharmed. Caretaker Mr. Fuji, who did not know the code, showed Inspector Yoshiko Grace a floor plan. The left strip of this corridor is freshly waxed, no crossing till noon, he said, pointing at the blue, polished lane and 2 bright cones. The polished section covered the entire left half of the corridor, while the right half was blocked by storage cabinets and the wall. 4 people knew the code and Yoshiko took statements. 1. Mr. Okada PE, I left through the gym's west door and timed hurdles on the west field all break. 2. Ms. Tanabe IT, I used the northeast entrance, turned left into the computer lab, and stayed there uploading video. 3. Nurse Ms. Sato, from the nurse's office, I took the southeast exit, walked outside, circled the building, and gave out ice packs on the west field. 4. Tomoya Kondo alumnus, I came in the southeast door, greeted the librarian, then walked north along the corridor. I slipped out the northwest door, straight onto the west field to film races. Yoshiko unlocked the storeroom. Shelves were neat, but the drone's case lay open, tablet missing. Minutes later, Natsuki's eyes welled up. My plane flew to a spot I can't reach, he whispered, pointing beyond the cones. Yoshiko hurried outside, looped around to the northwest door, and, with a long litter picker, nudged the paper plane back, across the glossy strip. She nearly lost her footing but caught herself, and handed the craft to Natsuki. Anyone trying to cross the polished strip would leave clear marks and risk slipping badly. Simon thanked her, then tapped the map. Paper planes make excellent hall monitors, he murmured.
Have you solved the mystery? Do you know the answer? Submit your answer at the site below. Scan the QR code on the screen or use the link in the video description to send it in. Outstanding answers will be featured in the comments section of future videos. See you next time for another mystery.